Welcome everyone. Today is lecture number 10 and we are diving into how to improve health and safety culture of an organization. I know we have covered a lot of ground so far, but I am confident that you are up to the challenge. How to improve health and safety culture of an organization is a fascinating and important topic, and I am excited to share my insights with you today. Before we get started, I want to take a quick moment to remind everyone of the importance of active learning. Don't just sit back and passively watch this video. Engage with the material, take notes, and ask questions. The more you participate, the more you will get out of this lecture. So without further delay, let's start into. These are the ways, if you follow, you can improve health and safety culture of your organization. Number one is commitment from the management. Number two, providing competent staff. Number three, communication of safety information effectively. Number four, providing appropriate and effective training. Now let's start one by one on each concept. Commitment from management. A strong health and safety culture starts at the top. Management must be committed to safety and must demonstrate this commitment visibly. This means making safety a core value of the organization. Safety should be integrated into all aspects of the organization's operations, from decision-making to performance measurement. Allocating resources to safety. This includes providing funding for safety training, equipment, and programs. Leading by example. Managers should follow all safety rules and procedures. They should also be visible in the workplace, demonstrating their commitment to safety to employees. Competent staff. Employees must have the appropriate training, knowledge, experience, and other skills necessary to do their job safely. This means providing employees with safety training. This training should be tailored to the specific hazards of the employee's job, ensuring that employees have the proper qualifications and experience. Employees should not be assigned tasks that they are not qualified or experienced to do. Providing employees with ongoing training and refresher courses. As technology and job requirements change, employees need to be kept up to date on safety procedures. Communication of safety information. Safety information can be communicated verbally, written, or graphically. Each method has its strengths and weaknesses. Verbal communication is the most direct way to communicate safety information. It is also the most effective way to convey complex or sensitive information. However, verbal communication can be easily misheard or forgotten. Written communication is a more permanent record of safety information. It can also be easily distributed to a large number of employees. However, written communication can be difficult to read and understand, especially for employees with low literacy levels. Graphic communication can be used to communicate safety information in a way that is easy to understand and remember. However, graphic communication can be expensive to produce and may not be effective for all types of safety information. Notice boards, posters, toolbox, talks, memos, and handbooks. All of these communication methods have a part to play in delivering safety information to employees. Notice boards can be used to display safety posters, reminders, and other important safety information. Posters can be used to communicate safety messages in a clear and concise way. Toolbox talks are short safety meetings that are held at the beginning of each shift. These meetings can be used to discuss safety hazards, procedures, and incidents. Memos can be used to communicate safety information to a large number of employees at once. Handbooks are comprehensive guides to safety procedures. Training. Training is a vital tool in improving safety-related behavior. There are various occasions when training should be provided, such as when new employees are hired. New employees should be trained on all of the safety hazards and procedures that are relevant to their job. When new equipment or processes are introduced, employees should be trained on how to use new equipment or processes safely. When there is a change in safety regulation, employees should be trained on any new safety regulations. When there is a safety incident, employees should be trained on how to prevent similar incidents from happening in the future. By providing employees with the right training, organization can help to ensure that employees have the knowledge and skills they need to work safely. Thank you very much to be with me in this lecture number 10. Soon we will meet in lecture number 11. Thank you and take care.